Wakey, wakey, Lucky. Come on, Lucky. Wakey, wakey. Rise and shine, sleepyhead. Come on, let me see those beautiful eyes. There you go. Good morning. How are you today? You doing good? That's good to hear. How'd you sleep? Any dreams or... No? Okay, fair enough. Well, breakfast is ready when you're ready. And then we've got a couple of things to do. Well, I'll explain later, okay? How's your breakfast? Enjoying it? Good to hear. Hmm? Oh, you've remembered something. What have you remembered? You had a dream about where I got you from. Well, I can understand why you would dream about that place. I mean, it's probably the most familiar setting to you. Oh, the dreams felt more real than that. Like memories. Oh, okay. Any particular details of this dream that stand out to you at all? So you remember the various production lines that other androids were being made on? Various tests you had to do? Okay, interesting. So, these tests, what kind of tests were they doing? Tests like basic obedience, adeptitude at doing mundane household tasks, solving maths equations. All seems rather mundane and routine. What was that, Lucky? But you... Wait, what? You failed most of these tests. What, you failed general house maintenance? You failed maths? Really? That's unusual. Was there anything you excelled in? I'm sorry, you excelled in what? In art? Like drawings? Paintings? And music? As well as drawings? Interesting. So you remember being a more creative android back at the factory? Well now. That's very interesting. Well, I mean, androids aren't usually made to be creatives. They're made to be labourers or number crunchers or, those sorts of things. Remember that discussion we had about the menial tasks? Yeah, they're not exactly designed to be Shakespearean playwrights, for example. That's very interesting to me. So, something about your creativity and inability to perform basic tasks like general household maintenance, maths equations, and those sorts of things might have played a part in you being rejected by the factory, maybe? Curiouser and curiouser. Oh, it's nothing. It just happens that something about what you're saying seems to resonate with a lead I recently got. Well, there are reports of increasing numbers of android repairs taking place for various defects, such as disobedience, laziness, and disruptive behavior involving things like androids taking art supplies and using them, or self-learning things like playing violin and guitar. I know, that's very coincidental, isn't it? You happen to remember something like that just as I get a lead about that very thing happening with other androids. I wonder... I've got a couple of theories, yeah, but nothing concrete at the moment. I just need evidence, I need something to point to my theory maybe being true. And that is kind of why I need you to come with me on this lead. Come on, let's get in the car and I'll take you to where we're going. And here we are. Yep, it's exactly what you think it is. It's an android repair shop. No, don't worry. I'm not here to get you repaired or anything, it's just... I need you to be able to provide a distraction of sorts. Yeah, you see, I need to pose as a customer so that I can then do a little bit of my journalistic smooth talking of some of the employees and try to get into the records of the company. Oh, no, not anything illegal or anything. Just... I need to see some of the reports that they're taking of these androids they're repairing. So, what I need you to do is come with me into the shop and pretend like you need a repair being done. Oh, no. They're not actually going to be able to do anything. They'll have to run a diagnostic first. And those things can take about 10-15 minutes maybe. They'll be searching through a lot of different subroutines and files and all those sorts of things, yeah? So they'll be looking at you for a while. Once they see that there's nothing wrong, they'll say, we can't find any issues. I'll say, no, I must be my imagination then. Maybe I'm just a bit harsh on the poor thing. And we'll get out. Job's good 'un. I've got my information. I can sift through that in my office. Yeah? I just need you to be a distraction. Okay, awesome. Come on. Let's go inside and see what we can learn. Hello there. I was wondering if I could get a diagnostic run on my Android here. Well, he's been acting a bit off recently. I don't know, it's just... he seems to not be doing very well with usual menial tasks around the house, and he seems more enraptured in his guitar playing. I don't know why. He's meant to be a normal service android, but he's just... Yeah, that's the kind of behaviours I'm seeing. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Oh, his name's Lucky. His serial number. What do you need that for? Oh, for the paperwork. Okay. MU5 1C4. Are you okay, miss? It's just... you seem to be looking at the paper more than... something wrong with the serial number? Sorry, where was I? MU51C4M. Lucky. I don't like that sigh of relief she let out. Designation Lucky. Okay, I think that should be all the paperwork in order. I'll just wait over here while you run the diagnostic, yeah?
Anomalous files detected. This android may be defunct. Please restrain and deactivate. Anomalous files detected. This android may be defunct. Please restrain and deactivate. Anomalous files detected. This android may be defunct. Please restrain and deactivate.
Hey, Lucky, come here, quick,
Anomalous files detected.
Over here, I'm by the office,
This
come on,
android
quick.
may be defunct.
Whoa. Okay, that was unexpected. Okay. That's put a bit of a spanner in the works. I think we need to now work as quick as we possibly can. Because we've now got considerably less time than I thought to get those files. Yes, we've still got to do what we're doing. We'll address what that was all about later, but let's get those files and get the absolute heck out of here, because the longer we stay here, the more likely it is we're going to get caught. Let's just get what we need, okay? Come on, don't worry, I'll keep you safe. Come with me.
Anomalous files detected. This android may be defunct.